Open one email and earn $2. If it's 2 emails, you will make $4. Open 10 emails, you will get paid $20 over and over again. In this video, I'm going to tell you a secret method you can use to make thousands of dollars by just opening some emails. Let me explain. First things first, you'll need to access the Volutic website. If you're not sure how to do that, simply open your preferred search engine, type in Volutic, and click on the link that appears. This website is your ticket to earning money by doing something as straightforward as reading emails, as clearly stated in its heading. The beauty of this method is that it's accessible to everyone. It doesn't matter where you are in the world or what device you're using, whether it's a smartphone, computer, or tablet. Now, let's dive into the process. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Volutic. You can do this by simply clicking on the Register button, located in the top right corner of the website. You'll then be prompted to fill out a straightforward form asking for your username, email address, and password. While there's an option to enter a referral code if you have one, feel free to leave it blank. But if you want to help a friend earn some extra cash, you can enter their referral code. Now check the first 2 boxes, and for an additional opportunity to receive promotional emails from Volutic, check the 3rd box. After you've filled in the necessary details, click the Register button to submit your information. Now, check your email inbox for an activation email from Volutic. Open the email and click the activation link to officially get started. It's a crucial step in the process. Once your account is verified, you'll receive another email with instructions on how to add Volutic's email address to your contact list. This is an essential step to maximize your earnings, so I strongly recommend that you pay attention to this. To ensure that Gmail doesn't mistakenly send Volutic emails to your spam folder, follow these steps. Click on the 3 dots, then select Filter Messages like this, and click Create Filter. Make sure to check the boxes for Star It and Never Send It to Spam. Under Categorize as select Primary, and hit Create Filter once more. To add Volutic to your contacts, click on the Contacts icon from the right panel of your Gmail account. Next, select Create Contact. In the first name field, type Volutic. Then, copy the provided email address and paste it into the email field. Finally, click Save at the bottom to save the contact. After completing these steps, you'll start receiving emails from Volutic. Now here's where the magic happens. All you have to do is open these emails and click on the promotional link inside. Let me show you how it works in real time. As you can see, I've just received an email from Volutic. Let's open it and click on the link. Upon clicking the link, a website will open up. This is where you'll need to exercise a bit of patience as you wait for the offer to complete. It's during this phase that you'll start earning cash. Once the offer is successfully completed, you'll see the money reflected in your account. The beauty of this method is that the more emails you open and offers you complete, the more money you'll accumulate over time. It's important to note that your earnings may vary depending on several factors, including the number of emails you receive and the available offers. Additionally, your location can influence your earnings. But here's the exciting part. With consistency, these earnings can quickly add up. Just imagine getting paid for doing something as routine as checking your emails. It's like having your very own personal ATM right in your inbox. And the best part? You can do this from virtually anywhere, whether you're at home, on the go, or even during your lunch break. If you found this video helpful and are excited to give it a try, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. And remember, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from so I can make videos about the methods that also work in your country. Before you go, I've got something exciting in store for you. Want to earn money effortlessly using an AI bot? Then check out this video.